So then we will see what exactly is building cloud infrastructure. Now we will see building cloud infrastructure. Here, this cloud infrastructure is a journey in phased approach. Under your existing infrastructure, we virtualize your infrastructure that enables resources and rapid elasticity, right? That enables resource pooling and rapid elasticity. So what we do is with your existing physical infrastructure, we try to virtualize this one. We don't try to virtualize, actually we virtualize this one, and then we build the application services, and those are managed by the infrastructure management and service creation tool. This deployment services is to deliver these cloud services, which we make it complete automation. We automate the service provisioning to enable on-demand self-services of computing resources over the network. We also facilitate measured services. And then do you see the complete enabling technology of the cloud? What happened is you have lots of computing, where you know that on top of the computing you do a bare metal hypervisor, you put the virtualization, and then you virtualize this, you create a virtual machines based on the computing capability, and you connect to the external storage to come to connect with your cloud computing, and also your services are running on top of this virtual machines. Or if it is not virtual machine, you can have your own container services running, or whatever the applications you build, you can run on top of it. So this is how the whole automation system works. This is how your measured services inside the cloud computing services work, and this is how your cloud fits together. So you have infrastructure, which is a server, storage, networks, facilities, and those servers are having lots of high compute resources like processor, memory, nodes, etc. And the same goes to your storage devices, networking devices, and facilities of your data center. So those in those infrastructure, we built our complete cloud management platform for your operational support services and business support services. And then you also deploy the services based on the what kind of service models they required. If they want infrastructure as a service, you provide IaaS, you provide PaaS, software service model, or some specific business related service model. Those can be also provided to your customers. So these customers basically have to understand the complete model of the cloud, how the model and the governance work with a complete security, resiliency, performance, and consumability. So these are a couple of things which we will be discussing in detail in our complete online session, virtual instructor led session.